welcome to another episode of Cooking with Me in an RV. But today we're doing something a little bit different, not necessarily cooking, but making a cocktail, because what's camping without a cocktail sometimes, right? So what you're going to need is we're making LavaFlows. Malibu, rum, simple syrup, pineapple juice, strawberries, frozen bananas, and coconut cream. So let's get started. So we're going to take 1 ounce of Malibu, half a shot glass of simple syrup,
baby girl, let the ice break. Give you all what you like, I know what I say. Baby girl, when you want something, come on, you can ask and I never say no. You know what I say. Upgrade and nice, I can get you some. I met a girl from the UK. She a dance, she a cutie. I tell her come if she wanna see me. She love the green and she love when it rains. She said bring out the money from the ATM. Tell your mom to your ATM. Me no back, you go shopping with your ATM. Go lunch with your ATM. The way back and clothes from your ATM. Wanna glow every time you come in. Be the one with the bag when you are with your friends. Oh no no no. Yeah.
In a separate container, I'm gonna add 1
she call and check in.
whole frozen banana.
I answer when you call and check in. Tell me what's the case, what's the matter? Tell me what's your name, looking fantastic. Dark skin like Panther. Danger how she move, no panther. Hey, hey. In your tumbong panther, yeah, maybe. You got time into, got time for me to. Baby, nice what oh no. I met a girl from the UK. She a dance, she a cutie. I tell her come if you wanna see me. She love the green and she love when it rains. She said bring out the money from the ATM. Tell your mom I'm your ATM. Me no back, you go shopping with your ATM. Go lunch with your ATM. The way back and clothes from your ATM. Wanna glow every time you come in. Be the one with the bag when you're out with your friends.
Sweeter on the sweeter side.
Girl, up for my key, all you really want is my key, Girl, want me to wifey, I don't really show nothing but love, Girl, up for my key, all you really want is my key, Girl, want me to wifey, I don't really show nothing but love. Baby girl, I like it how you move, moving like the ocean, see deep like the ocean. She got waves in the hair just like the ocean, yeah, like the ocean. Keep it in on, swim my man some distance from the ocean. Wavy like ocean, baby, yeah, you're looking like the ocean. Deep in my pocket like the ocean. She said bring out the money from the ATM. Tell your mom from your ATM. Me no back, you go shopping with your ATM. Go lunch with your ATM. The way back and clothes from your ATM. Wanna glow every time you come in. Be the one with the bag when you are with your friends. Oh no no no. Girl, up for my key, all you really want is my key, Girl, want me to wifey, I don't really show nothing but love, Girl, up for my key, all you really want is my key, Girl, want me to wifey,
If you make this recipe, let me know in the comment box below. Whatever cocktails you make while you're camping, let me know so I can try them out. We'll see you guys in the next video, and remember to like, comment, and subscribe.